Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right into today's poster. I want us to know how to fill in this PNG. How do we know it's a PNG? Well, let's go ahead and close the program and look right here on the desktop here. We got a heart and it is a PNG. We're going to right click and open with Adobe Photoshop Elements. And once it's open, as a matter of fact, I'm going to bring in one of my assets here, which is this happy flower. Drag it right in there. And let's go back to the heart. Basically, what we want to do is take this PNG and fill in the rest of the photo so that we can delete that later. So what we're going to do is grab the paint bucket, choose, let's say, white color, and go ahead and fill in. Now we can grab the magic tool and click on the portions of the heart that we want to show through. And we just do that and delete, do that and delete. And there we go. That's pretty much all there is to it. We can grab our flower photo and drag it into the project like so, like this. I'm going to go ahead and lock the photo layer. I'm going to take the flower layer up here and drag it underneath. That basically puts it underneath. And that way I can reposition or resize this flower any way I want. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger like that. And now what we want to do is marry these two. So I'm going to unlock the heart. I'll right click up here and merge down. Now it's one large picture. We can do whatever we want with it. I'm going to grab the magic tool one more time, click on the white, get rid of it. And now we're left with exactly what we wanted. The heart outline with the flowers on the inside, and the outside is transparent, so we can make a PNG. We could go to File, Save As, either here a PNG, or we could change that into a JPEG. And that's it for this tutorial. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.